Tired of leads scatter everywhere, costing you valuable time and potential deals? Let's wrangle the chaos and get those leads efficiently imported into Zoho CRM. First, gather your lead data into a single file. Spreadsheets like CSV or Excel files are perfect, but ensure your column headers clearly match the corresponding fields in Zoho CRM, such as first name, last name, email, phone, and company. Now, log into your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the Leads module. This is where your imported leads will reside. Look for the three dots at the top right, click on them and select Import Leads. This will initiate the import process. Choose the file type that matches your lead data file, CSV or Excel, then upload your prepared file. Zoho CRM will now guide you through a mapping process. This is crucial. For each column in your file, use the drop-down menus to map it to the correct Zoho CRM field. If a corresponding field doesn't exist, you can even create a new custom field to accommodate it. Carefully review the skip and overwrite options. Skip prevents importing duplicate records, while overwrite updates existing leads with the data from your file. Choose wisely based on your needs. Once you're satisfied with the mapping and options, click Import. A progress bar will appear, indicating the status of your lead import. And that's it. Your leads are now imported into Zoho CRM, ready to be nurtured and converted into valuable customers. Start closing those deals.